Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. I am Nana Firdaus, and on today's tutorial I will be showing you how to cut and sew this beautiful plain and pattern Malaysian hijab that has a two-step illusion. So for this particular tutorial, you will be needing your pattern paper to draft it out first before cutting it out, so as not to waste your fabric. So the first thing I'll be doing is I'll be joining two pattern papers together using a sellotape. So to measure out the face circumference, I'll come down by 13 inches from this edge and I'll mark it. Then for the front hijab length, I'll be measuring 33 inches. On that 33-inch mark, I'll go in by 8 inches to reduce the front width of the hijab so it will be smart. Then I'll connect that 13-inch mark to the 8-inch mark that I just made now. For the back length of the hijab, I'll be using 34 inches, which is what I'm measuring here. I'm going to measure it out. Then I'll be cutting from the 13-inch mark down to that 8-inch mark that I made earlier. I'll cut it out this way. Then I'm going to remove the excess paper so that I'll be able to fold the fabric easily. So you'll be placing your 13-inch mark on your tape rule on that edge, and you will measure out your front hijab length. Make sure that you have the 33-inch mark there. After getting your front hijab length, you are going to fold the pattern paper into two this way diagonally to get your side measurement. After folding it, I'm going to measure 23 inches on this side for my side measurement, and I'll use my scissors to notch it out. You'll notice that while folding it, I didn't fold it into two equal parts. So you are going to cut from your front measurement to your side measurement down to your back measurement. After doing that, the next thing you will do is you are going to mark 5 inches. You come up by 5 inches from your front measurement down to your side measurement and down to the back measurement of your hijab. You measure 5 inches upward, which is for the longer layer of the step. So you measure 5 inches and you are going to cut it out. After cutting it out, label the front part of the pattern that you just cut out and the back part, the part that will be at the back and the part that will be at the front, so that you don't get confused when you are cutting it out. Now to the cutting on the main fabric, you will need 1 yard of plain fabric and 1.5 yard of pattern fabric. Fold your fabric into two along the fabric width that is 60 inches. Then you will be placing your pattern paper on it, making sure that the part where you started measuring your face circumference from is going to be on the folded edge this way, and you are going to use an object to hold the brown paper in place. So after setting your pattern paper on your fabric, you are going to cut it out. Then you'll be notching the midpoint of your face circumference. After doing that, the next thing you will do is you are going to cut out the layers on your pattern fabric. You fold your pattern fabric into two. You are going to place the 5-inch part that you cut out earlier, you place it on it. The part that you labeled for the back part of your hijab is going to be on the folded edge, while the front part is going to be on this side of your material, which is the open end. You are going to align it properly, use something to hold the paper in place, and you'll be cutting it out. So while cutting it out, make sure on the upper part of this pattern you leave 1/2 inch for your sewing allowance. After cutting it out, you are going to notch the midpoint of that upper part of the back panel so that you know where to fix it to the main hijab panel when you are sewing it back. The next thing you will do is you have to cut the second layer, which is 3 inches, that is 2 inches shorter than the first layer. So you are going to measure 3 inches downwards on that pattern round, and you cut off the excesses that you have. After cutting it off, you are going to place the pattern back on your pattern fabric, making sure that the back part of that pattern is going to be on the folded edge of your fabric. Then you align the other parts of the pattern paper, use something to hold it in place, and you cut it out. While cutting it out, don't forget to add extra 1/2 inch on the upper part of the pattern for your sewing allowance, and you are going to notch the upper part of this cutout also. The next thing is to cut out your hijab cap. Fold your fabric into 4, then you use hijab cap height of 4 inches and the width of 6 inches, and you cut it out this way. Then you will notch it. Now to the sewing aspect, I'm going to start by laying the 5 inches layers. I'm going to place it with the right side facing up. Then I'll be placing the 3 inches layers. I'll be placing it on it with the wrong side of the 3 inches part facing the right side of the 5 inches layer, with the notch points being on each other. You make sure that the notch points are on each other, aligned this way. So this is the 3 inches layers and this is the 5 inches layer. So you're going to pin the notch points together. Now to get where to fix that notch point, you are going to notch the midpoint of the back part of your hijab, which is the folded edge here. You are going to notch this midpoint. After notching it, you open up your hijab with the right side facing up. Then you'll be placing both layers on it with the right side of that 3-inch layer is going to be facing the right side of your main hijab body this way. So the 3-inch layer is going to be in between the main hijab and the 5-inch layer, and you're going to pin the notch points together. Carefully align the 3 fabrics to one side, and you're going to start sewing from that side down to the notch points, then down to the other side of the hijab. After doing that, you are going to open up the face opening of your hijab with the right side facing up. Fold your hijab cap in such a way that the wrong sides will be facing each other, so the right side will be outside. And you place the notch point of your hijab cap on the notch point of your main hijab. Align the ends and then you start sewing from one end of your hijab cap to the other. After sewing it, you are going to fold your face opening into 2. Then you measure half of your face circumference downwards this way, and you are going to join the front part of your hijab together. While joining it, make sure the layers align properly, and you have to weave or hem the ends of your layers before joining the parts together. After doing that, you weave any other ends that you have left, and that is that on how to make this beautiful plain and patterned Malaysian hijab. If you found this tutorial video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, suggestions or tips you would like to share, kindly drop them in the comment section below. Have a great day, ma. Salam.